Hi guys, here, LBC out doing another job. We're out in Chadwheath in Romford, Essex. And here today we've got two jobs we're doing, which is some graffiti removal and some steam cleaning of the brickwork. Right now I'm going to go up in a cherry picker and apply some chemical, and then afterwards you'll see us going across with steam on our doff machine, cleaning off the brickwork. Been up and applied all our graffiti removal chemicals, and it's now had time to bed in. So now what we're going to do is we've got our doff machine, low pressure, high steam, high temperature, and we're going to get up there and we're going to steam off the remainder of this graffiti. Watch and see the rest of the video and see our transformation. Thank you very much.
Hello Irish Jim.
Hi guys, how are you getting on?
Our saviour.
Your Lord and Saviour.
Oh, that's funny.
So the team are in full flow here. Got Irish Jim as well as Joe, and they're getting all the steam cleaning equipment ready. The old doff steam cleaning. So just doing their pre-checks before they get this cherry picker up and running. The gel has been working its magic in the meantime, so hopefully make the steam cleaning a lot easier. Got Irish Jim, he's avoiding the camera today. He's getting rigged. He's in the cage, being assisted by Joe there. Gun in hand, about to make his way up on the cherry picker. Nearly in place. Ready for a right nice bit of doff steam cleaning. Getting the temperature up, heating up the gun. So what do you do when you've got some stubborn graffiti, huh? You hit it with some double penetration. You've got Joseph hitting it from another angle there, get this job done a little quicker. So we've got two guns on this bit of graffiti.
it's been a busy day here at LBC doing the graffiti removal here in Chadweath. As you can see, we've made a good progress so far. Our guys will be back to carry on. We've still got the front of the building to do all steam cleaning on the brickwork, and that'll be carried out through this week and going into next week. Remember, if you like our content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.